catch a fish?
Certainly hope so. Special flasher recommended by Marty and May.
Oh, but don't tell him what type it is.
Oh, don't tell. Okay.
We got to keep that a secret.
You know what? I probably wouldn't even know if he said it. And there's a bunch of boats up here, so apparently this is a good fishing spot. Yeah. And it's sunny.
Yes. So we'll try for a little bit. We don't want to spend all day here, but...
There's a sailboat up there. I think there's 6 boats I can count so far.
So maybe there's some fish here.
Maybe there's fish.
I'm not sure if you can see right behind me here, but that's Alaska. So we are going to skirt Alaska up a canal called Pierce Canal and stay in a little place called Winter Inlet tonight, and that's on the Canadian side. And then from there we're going to keep continuing north along that same canal, which has Alaska on one side and Canada on the other. So it'll be kind of fun to go up there and see both sides of that canal. There's Alaska on the left and Canada on the right, going up Pierce Canal. We're just entering Winter Inlet, and we still have about 2 miles to go to where we want to anchor, so it's a long inlet.
We are at the back of the inlet and we are going to go drop a trap and see if we can catch any crabs for dinner. or breakfast or lunch tomorrow. And just dump it.
Yeah, and then let it down. It's on the bottom? Probably.
Probably.
And just throw the rest over. Just toss it away from the boat. It's a male. That's good. All right.
So what have you got there?
We got a crab. One male. And he looks big enough. Okay, so you grab the crab by both sets of legs, but keep his claws out like this. And then you get a sharp corner like this. It may move a little, so it might be harder to do. And you get him right between the eyes. It's easier to do on a solid rock. Then that pops the shell off. And then you just crunch them sideways. And shake out the guts. I gotta shake it out a bit more, but then you go, there you go. And that's all you have to cook. It's nice and easy.
So now that you've cleaned it, what are you going to do with it?
We'll put it into a pot with about 2 inches of water and a little bit of salt, and then put the lid on and steam it for about 7 minutes, and then we eat it. So that's going to be very tasty.